How to hide apps in any iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide any apps on any iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. First step is open up your iPhone and find an app that you want to hide. After you found the app, simply long press on it. Now here you will see an option that says require Face ID. Simply tap on that and there you will see three options. One is to require Face ID, the other is to hide and require Face ID, the other is simply cancel. Now here tap on hide and require Face ID. It will go you through the verification. Tap on hide app and the app is now hidden. To find the hidden app, you'll need to go to your app library. That is all the way to the right side here. Scroll down all the way, and there you'll find hidden apps on the bottom right. Tap on that, go to the Face ID, and there you'll see the app. And that's how you hide any apps on your iPhone. And that's basically it. Now, this feature only works for certain iOS updates only. So if you don't know how to update your iOS, tap on your settings, go to general, and there you'll find software update. Tap on it. So let it load, and if your iOS is above 18, you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.